Good morning, everyone. Welcome here to the beautiful Valley of Mar. My name is Danny Byron. My friends call me Scout Moose, and I am the Chief Mechanical Engineer here with PCI. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about this utility suit, a little bit about Pandora, the Navi, and kind of everything in between. So, for those of you that would like to do so, if you haven't already, I want to invite you to come down here to these lines on the ground, as close as you can get there. That'll help establish a nice perimeter. It'll give you a better view of the suit. And it gives me the all-important human safety net. Perfect. Now, I'm going to talk, we're starting this conversation off by talking about what you're looking at here. This is a Class T Byler 7600 XO carrier utility suit. Now, it's one of the tools, one of the many tools we have here at our disposal with the PCI. And it's something that we use out there beyond those walls, right here behind me, to help repair the damage that was done by the RDA to the environment. Now, this tool is very similar to the amp suit you see behind me here, amp suit number 15. And a little history about that amp suit. My great-grandfather was actually the chief mechanical engineer on that amp suit. And he took his knowledge of engineering and the passion that he developed for the moon of Pandora and the Navi culture and shared that with our family generation after generation. Now, when that landed with me, it really kind of struck a chord. And I saw the opportunity to come out here, join the PCI, and to help them develop this technology from that old technology to help better the environment. Now, step one was basically to take that amp suit and decide what of it do we need, what of it do we not need. And one thing we didn't need was for it to be as large as it is. Now, that RDA suit back there was actually an old military suit, so it had a lot of military capabilities to be used in combat situations, so it had to be bigger and bulkier. Now, since we're doing environmental research and trying to leave as very small of a carbon footprint as possible, even though the actual footprint is quite large, what we're trying to do with this suit is we need it to be a little bit smaller, a little bit faster. So by scanning that suit, breaking it down piece by piece, and putting it back together, out came this utility suit. Now, this Class T Byler stands about 10 feet tall, which is a little bit shorter, obviously, than that amp suit behind me, but that does put me in eye level with the Navi. And it also weighs about 4.2 tons. It also, one of the key features of it, is it magnifies my strength by about 15 times. Though I'm consistently reminded on a daily basis that 15 times 0 is still 0. So, I'm really not sure if it amplifies much of anything other than the cool factor, at least when it comes to me being up here. But I'll take the cool factor when I can get it, because inherently I'm not that popular. So if I can at least look cool, I'll feel better about myself. Now, this utility suit has some other fun features that you might notice a little bit that are different than the RDA one behind me here. And one of the most obvious and glaring things is the fact that the suit behind me has a completely enclosed, and I would assume, climate-controlled cockpit. What you see me riding around in now is a completely exposed and unclimate-controlled roll cage. Because somewhere in the design process, we decided that it would be more fun to risk our life by riding around a completely exposed roll cage and pretty much becoming an hors d'oeuvre on a platter in an environment beyond those walls where, to be quite honest, travelers, 80% of life, plants included, want to eat you. At last count, I've almost died 29 and a half times this morning. 29 of those times were from animal encounters, and that one half time was from a scary tree. The plants look beautiful, travelers, but do not let them fool you. One of the first classes we take here at the PCI is what will eat you, what will not eat you, what to eat, what not to eat, how to avoid being eaten by all of the above. Now, in that class, they talk about the animals first, which seems good, get the big scary things out of the way. The problem is, by the time you get to the plants, you're terrified. So the first plant that they start to talk about is the goblin thistle. I heard the word goblin and I blacked out of my desk. Face down, smack, right into the counter. Don't know what the goblin thistle does. Unfortunately, I was not conscious for that part of the presentation, but I can imagine it's probably scary and terrifying. Now, this suit, however, serves some good purposes when it comes to keeping us safe. One of the things that it keeps us safe from is basically hammerhead titanotheres. Now, if you look at the suit here, you'll actually see some dents on the arms and on the legs. They're actually from a hammerhead titanothere, which proves that this suit can take quite the beating. Now, the hammerhead titanothere, for those of you playing the home game, is pretty much a hammerhead shark with legs. It's got 6 legs, the size of a couple of elephants, and has this nice peacock plumage that's right behind his head that actually pops out whenever it feels threatened, or you're wandering into its territory, or if it's doing its mating dance, or whatever it happens to be. It's very beautiful to see, but if you see it, and you are not another hammerhead titanotheres, odds are it's because you wandered into its territory. Now, when I had my encounter with my hammerhead, I was out there with my knobby guide, and he was standing off in the distance. We always go out with a knobby because they develop that connection between the animals and us. And he started waving his hands in the air, almost as though he didn't care. And I thought he was saying hello to me, but he was actually saying, look out behind you. I learned that day very quickly that there was a subtle difference in the knobby body language between hello and look out behind you. Had I known the difference, I would not have gotten hit by a hammerhead titanotheres going full speed. Coincidentally, that's also the day I learned that this suit can fly. You will not, however, stick the landing in it. I can promise you that much. I did get stuck in the mud, though, and unfortunately, he who gets stuck in the mud has to clean the mud, but you can tell that I don't follow the rules. I am the chief mechanical engineer, and if the title of chief doesn't get me out of having to clean the suit, then why have the title in the first place? Let's be honest. Now, this gentleman right here, these two guys right here are dressed very bioluminescently. I want to point that out, because it's quite impressive. If you're here at night, basically you're going to look just like the rest of the plants because they glow. So basically, right now you stand out. But if you're here at night when the plants come to life, you will blend right in, my friend. Now, how many of you here today have had the opportunity to experience a flight of passage? A few of you, very nice. Now, me being a PCI utility student pilot, I've been told repeatedly by my other PCI scientists that work up there in the lab that I do not possess the neural pathways required to link with an avatar. So that is not the experience I have gotten to have. However, I have worked closely with them in understanding their research of the banshee, and I've learned that the banshee here is a keystone species. And as such, it is very crucial here to the survival of the ecosystem. Now, since I can't actually link with an avatar to ride on the back of a banshee, I have to develop a way to help other travelers that are in the same predicament as me that don't get the opportunity to do so, be it just a scheduling conflict or whatever it happens to be, the opportunity to see how these creatures can actually be. So I want to perform that experiment for you now, and the way it's going to work is I need some volunteers. And the way that we pick volunteers here at the PCI is I just pick whoever I want that looks like they would rather be anywhere else. So you there, sir. Yes, you right there. Pointing at you, yes. Disney villain is my wife. Yes. Oh, I read that backwards. I'm sorry. My favorite Disney villain is... No, I did read it correctly. Okay, I thought I was putting you in hot water, but you've done that yourself. Let's see, this gentleman right here in the front row with the bioluminescence. You two can both come up. You guys come right over here at the end. You can be right over here on that end. Now, let's see, I need a couple more volunteers. This gentleman in the green shirt back here looking away, thinking if he doesn't look at me, I don't see him. I do appreciate the fact that you're wearing green and trying to not be seen there, sir. But I can still see you. I am taller than you after all. And lastly, this gentleman right over here. Yes, you, sir. With the beard. Yes. Stop trying to hide behind your wife. There we go. Now come running up here. Now give these four gentlemen a huge round of applause that are young traveler right here. Now, what are your names, gentlemen? What's your name, sir? Mike. Carl. What's it? Sean and Scott. Mike, Carl, Sean, Scott, and Henry. It's nice to meet you, gentlemen. I promise I'll forget that in about 30 seconds. Now, here's what I need you all to do. What I want you to do is I want you to spread out on that line, kind of like you're doing there, but go fingertip to fingertip. Stick your arms way up, and then hear me, I've got a special job for you. I want you to stand right there on the end, right there, just a little bit further out for me. So you stand wherever you are, and then you just step out just a little bit further there. Perfect. And then you stick your hands out in front of you like you're doing a giant gator chomp. There you go. You're going to be the head of our banshee. Now, let's see. This is a family show, so let's turn around and show the people our good side. There we go. Henry, there. Turn around. There we go. Perfect. Now, these gentlemen are all roughly 6 feet tall, and a little bit, which makes their arm spans here roughly 6 feet across, and a little bit. which means that what you're looking at is roughly 24 feet, and say it with me, and a little bit. Perfect. Now, the largest banshee that we have captured and actually have been able to record, not captured, but captured their measurements rather, had a wingspan of 48 feet. So what you're looking at here, travelers, right now is one wing of a full-grown adult mountain banshee. And my friend Henry down here represents the head of our banshee. Nice job, Henry. You're doing good.
Woo!
You're nailing it, Henry. Perfect. Now, gentlemen, we're going to bring this banshee to life. So flap like a banshee for me, guys. There you go. And then Henry, just do your banshee chomp. There you go. So lifelike, it's terrifying. Excellent job, guys. Give a round of applause. Now, there's one other part of this experiment here, and Henry, you're going to keep helping us out with this. I did mention a little bit earlier that the banshees are a keystone species. And part of our job here with the PCI has been to help reestablish that banshee population. Now, they have started to live way up there in those mountains through that reestablishment. And what we've discovered is that if you do a banshee call, and you do it the right way, you can actually get them to respond to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate a banshee call for the four of you gentlemen here. And then we're going to give you guys all the opportunity to call like a banshee. So let me demonstrate first, because I'm a three-time banshee calling champion. Don't mean to brag, but I'm going to brag. So this is what we're aiming for here. Did you guys get that? Cool. Now Henry, it's your job whenever they make a banshee call to open the mouth of the banshee and make a big giant banshee. Perfect. Excellent. Good. Now, let's see. We're going to start with you down here, sir. And on the count of three, I want you to aim that banshee call way up there in those mountains. Are you ready, sir? On three. 1, 2, 3. It's very quiet, but they heard you. Very nice. You got a response. Excellent. All right, Sean. On three. 1, 2, 3. Slightly delicate. Hey, you know what? It worked. Nice job. Not bad. All right, you got a double. Fancy pants. All right, Dylan is, there you go. I'm not even going to say it. On three. 1, 2, 3. Nicely done, sir. Nicely done indeed. All right, my friend. You're on the end, so bring it home. 1, 2, 3. Not bad at all, sir. Have you done this before? Occasionally. Oh. Sir, I would recommend you don't do that again, because that was the mating call. Yeah, so I need you to find somewhere to stand that doesn't involve standing near anybody else. Ladies and gentlemen, give all of our volunteers up here a huge round of applause, especially the head of our banshee, little Henry here. Now, gentlemen, you all can head back to your respective families, or pick a new one if you like. It's entirely up to you. Sir, whose wife is his favorite Disney villain, good luck to you, sir. Good luck to you. Now, travelers, I want to thank you for spending a little bit of time with me out here today in the Valley of Wara. And I want to leave you all with this message of conservation. Here on Pandora, we are doing everything we can to repair the damage that was done by the RDA. And we want to challenge every single one of you out there to head home to your hometowns, to your communities, and do what you can to better your environment. Through reducing, reusing, recycling, setting up a butterfly garden, volunteering, find your passion, and use that passion to make your communities a better place. We understand that that can be a challenge, but tonight we have a word for rising to the challenge, and that word, my friends, is Sivako. So on the count of three, I would like everybody here to say Sivako as loud as you can. Can you do that? All right, on three. 1, 2, 3. Sivako! Excellent job, Henry. Great job today. Travelers, I wish you all again, which means I hope to see you again soon. Now I'm going to put my visor down because A, I think it looks cool. And B, it helps keep the drool out of my eyes when I'm being attacked by giant scary things. That way I can see which way I'm supposed to run. And speaking of scary things, let me know if you see a smiling Earth teenager today, because they're very, very rare and hard to find. So if you do see one, it might be scary, but take a picture of it because nobody will believe you otherwise. All right, Jordan, are we ready?
Yes.
All right, travelers, enjoy the beautiful Valley of Wara, and thank you again for spending some time with us here on the moon of Pandora.